Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PostFinance Ltd how to check balance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to check balance in PostFinance Ltd, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your PostFinance application. Then once inside, what you need to do is just simply tap on Face ID Login. Once you have set it up, you simply tap on Login with card number. Then enter in your e-finance number with your username, then your password, and then log into your account. And once logged in, what you need to do is on the home screen you will see your accounts, current balance for each account. Now tap on the account to view the available balance, pending transactions, recent payments, and next is to check balance via e-finance, which is your computer, by simply heading over to the browser and go to the PostFinance e-finance, then log in with the credentials, then open accounts or overview, and your balance is shown next to each account. You can also view transaction history and download statements PDF. Now you can check balance at PostFinance ATM as well by simply inserting your PostFinance debit card, then entering your PIN, and then select balance inquiry. Then balance displays instantly, and some ATMs can print a receipt as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.